Hey guys, so recently I just got my ground control camber plates for my Golf R, and I just wanted to show you a close-up video of how they're built and the build quality, which is at a first glance very good, very solid piece. So I'm gonna put this on my car in the next few weeks. The reason why I bought it is I'm going to the track and I need more camber on the front, and that will help with understeer, and the sidewall of my tires will last longer. So these are the two plates, and the way it works is that it slides, as you can see. So the strut goes here and this slides on the tower itself, and this is how you can adjust your camber. So I'm gonna install this on my car in the next few weeks, and then I'm gonna do a first impression video after I do the alignment, and we'll see and go from there.